What is up, you guys? You know what? Let's figure out a better spot than this. A little more interesting. Alright, that is much better. Hey, what's up, you guys? I'm Alexander Rios, and welcome to Ríos Rendezvous. You're probably wondering what is going on here. What is a rendezvous? Why have I stumbled upon some guy filming himself in a tropical vacation? Well, fun fact, I'm actually not on vacation right now. Yeah, believe it or not, I'm getting paid to do this. And no, it's not to sit on a beach and drink this beautiful, thirst-quenching coconut. As delicious as it is. I'm actually an actor working on this thing. A massive mega cruise ship currently sailing the Caribbean. Well, not for much longer, but I'll get to that later. So, why am I talking to myself on a beach in Belize exactly? Well, it's pretty simple. I wanted to start a vlog. You see, I decided a little while ago to start a vlog for a couple of reasons. A huge reason right now is because I'm currently working in a really unique environment. And look, I'm not going to be making this a cruise ship vlog. There's plenty of those out there. If you've come for that, that's not gonna be it. Another huge reason why I wanted to start this thing is because I wanted to document my journey through my life and my career. I live in Los Angeles with these two, my girlfriend Michaela and our little dog Maddox. We're both actors and creatives navigating our 20s and this wild thing we call the entertainment industry. We love to create new things and go on these crazy adventures for fun and for work. Ever since I was born, I've been traveling and living in wild and exciting places. I've lived overseas most of my life, and I speak 3 languages. I guess what I'm trying to say is, travel and culture are like home to me. They're the air I breathe and the path I am steadily on. With that being said, I would love to take you guys along with me for this wild ride. Well, I think I've given you enough of an intro. Cue the rendezvous, and let's go.